Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Vesper theory. In this, next, according to Vesper theory, the shape of molecule depending on electron pairs. So here observe the shape of molecule depending on electron pairs only, not bond pair, not unpaired electrons. In this, if the central atom having both bond pairs and lone pairs, that's then some repulsions is there. If molecule on central atom having if molecule on central atom having both bond pairs and lone pairs, thus then some repulsions will be there. Having both bond pairs present, if central atom having both bond pairs and lone pairs present, if some repulsions will become. So, for example, oxygen having two bond pairs and two lone pairs. That's why some repulsions will become. That's then a bond angle also will be changed. So, according to this rule, repulsions order lone pair greater than lone pair bond pair greater than bond pair. This is the repulsions order. So, lone pair having small lower repulsions than LP BP, and this then BP, and BP means bond pairs. So, here observe students, once observed, electron pairs or bond pairs are both are equal. Example, very important this example. If central atom having two bond pairs or electron pairs, the bond angle is 180 degrees and the structure will be linear structure. For example, BeCl2 its beryllium atomic number 4. You can write helium 2s2. In this, 2 electrons is there. This is the ground state. Next, excited state having in this involved 2p 2s 2p also. In this, one electron move into this. So, 2s having only one electron, 2p having only one electron. Thus then Cl17 Its configuration, outermost electronic configuration, neon 3s2 3p5. In this 2 electrons, in this 5 electrons. So this is the only one unpaired or bond paired, but here 2 bond pairs present in the central atom having 2 bond pairs or electron pairs. That bond angle will be 180 degrees. The structure will be linear structure. For example, BeCl2, BeCl, BeCl. Here beryllium having single electron, single electron. Chlorine having each chlorine having 2 chlorines is there. This is the bond pair, lone pair. This is the lone pair. This is also lone pair. So 3 lone pairs, totally 3 lone pairs. That is the 1 lone pair, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And same like each chlorine having 1 unpaired. This is this is this like. So this is the bond angle is 180 degrees. So in central atom having only lone pairs and lone pairs, means lone pair. So repulsions will be very low. That's why this bond angle is 180 degrees. If second example, if central atom having 3 bond pairs or electron pairs, the bond angle, then the bond angle is 120 degrees, and also structure will be trigonal planar. So some questions will become, if central atom having 3 bond pairs, the bond angle will be 180 degrees, and also what is the bond angle of beryllium chloride, means 180 degrees. So here 120 degrees, trigonal planar. For example, BF3, boron trifluoride, structure will be this like. Angle will be 120 degrees. Third one, if central atom having 4 bond pairs or electron pairs, then the bond angle will be, the bond angle is tetrahedral, and angle is 109 degrees 28 seconds. Very important. So example, CH4 methane carbon, atomic number 6, 1s2 2s2 2p2. So we can write helium 2s2 2p2, 2 electrons, 2 pair having 2 electrons. But here this is the ground state. We can take excited state. Excited state means we are apply some energy. That's then in this electron movement to p orbital. So carbon valence is 4. Total carbon valence is 4. That's then each hydrogen having 1s1. This configuration single electron. So totally C carbon H H. So each hydrogen having single electron. So carbon valency 4, so total 4 electrons is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the tetrahedral structure. Bond angle will be 109.28 seconds. This is the bond angle. Structure is tetrahedral. Fourth one. If central atom having two, 3 bond pairs and one lone pair, then the bond angle is 107 degrees 41 second 48. Example, NH3. So here nitrogen 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 2s having 2 electrons, p having 3 electrons. So here 1 lone pair and 3 bond pairs. So here you can write like the structure NH. So bond angle will be 107 degrees 48 second. Fifth one. If central atom having 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs, that's then the bond angle, then the bond angle is 104 degrees 38 seconds. Example, S2O, oxygen 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. You can write helium, 2s having 2 electrons, 2p having 4 electrons. So here oxygen having 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. That's then oxygen having 2 bond pair lone pairs, LP. So remaining UP, 2 unpairs. Each hydrogen having single electron, this like. The bond angle will be 104 degree 31 second. 104 degrees 31 second. This is the examples of Vesper theory.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this